Go ahead. What do you think about this game?
Oh my goodness.
It was a
What's the feeling now?
overall team effort, very good feeling. We are in the finals, one more game to go, but this was a very good bowling and batting effort.
Now, how do you feel about your performance, especially in a crunch situation
really like-
where you delivered a century, and most importantly, it appeared like we would not even touch 175, and you turned it on at the right moment. Become a centurion. What do you think about this?
I would say more than batting, we got up to 200 plus, which I think it's very difficult to chase. It's very difficult to chase
Man of
in
the
a
match.
semi-final game.
Uh-huh.
But as far as I go, for me, bowling with my condition, I think I'm really happy that I didn't give 10 or 12 runs and over because I am really, my shoulder is fucked up and
Okay.
I have a very bad.
And how are you able to deliver this performance in this kind of situation? I mean, were you preparing something special for this game, or is it something that
all from the heart.
See, everybody would be having some nerves there. So
It's all. We are playing as a team and we have come so far.
uh-huh.
We have very good team. If a couple of guys don't do well, there is someone to replace them. I saw that in the last game. We had a batting clash and our tail end took us to the semi-final.
Excellent.
So we have to repay them.
What do you think about this moment where our team qualified for the finals of this game? You love it? Okay, overall performance, everything? Excellent. You're very happy with it?
I'm very happy and we're gonna win the championship.
Okay, excellent. Okay, darlings. Okay, Kapil, what do you want to say about this? You provided a very valuable breakthrough. Anvishan Reddy, Bomi Reddy was going in all guns, and you came in. You got that breakthrough. So how did you feel? I mean,
I felt really,
it was one of the
really
turning points.
good. I felt really good that I was able to contribute to the team.
Okay.
And we won today. So we're in finals. Let's enjoy the moment.
Mandeep, quick words, Mandeep. Very quick.
My first final in my life. It's an unbelievable feeling and I'm honored and excited to be part of this amazing group of boys.
Excellent. What do you say,
I'm
Prashant?
really happy that we all came together as a team and we won this game for everyone.
Okay. Now, what do you want to say, Venkat sir? Quick, sir. Battery ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு.
I'm reliving my younger days.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Balaji, go ahead. What do you want to say about this moment?
More than 2000 years history. We are in final.
What do you think about the catching? I mean, all along we have been a big time suckers with catch. We did not take a drop. I mean,
It's total team effort. Everybody contributed. I'm very glad that we are in the finals and we're not gonna stop there. Yes,
Okay.
we won the cup.
okay, guys. And what do you want to say, Ranveer? What do you want to say, Ranveer? Come on, guys. We've got it qualified. No, it's okay. Come on. Go ahead.
Dream come true, waiting for it for 8 years.
Okay.
Finally there.
Okay.
I don't have words to say after that.
Okay, excellent. Okay. Sabia, where are you? Sabia, finish it here. I don't think.
Finals, baby, it's a dream come true. All we have to do is go and pick up the cup now.
Okay.
High stand rules, man.
Okay, excellent.
You want me to record you?
कुछ भी नहीं. I don't say anything. I've been talking all along, so it's okay. Come on. Hey, there is little life in this camera, so go ahead and tell what you want to say.
अभी ground पे हैं.
Uh-huh. There is little life in this camera. You can't wait.
Good bowling, Dinesh. I think it was a complete team effort. Balaji bowled really well. We took some tremendous catches today, and I think Paul really batted well. And people combined really well today.
It was a
Good job,
genius
guys.
performance, right?
Yeah.
All along you have been busy writing that our catching needs to improve. I mean, what do you think about this catching?
Stupendous catch. I think we rose up to the occasion today.
What do you think about that moment to the opposition side?
Good job.
Yeah, okay.
Excellent catch.
Okay, guys. Thank you.